So hello guys, good morning again. This is Ina on dressmaking and crafting. So ngayon guys, gumawa na po ako ng pattern para po sa basic front and back bodies. Para po kay Aina Bindulo, sana mapanood mo ito at salamat po sa pag-comment. Materials needed, pattern paper, ruler, pentel pen red and blue, French curve, and tape measure. So una muna guys, gagawa po tayo ng perpendicular line gamit ang ating ruler. At sa corner, markahan natin ng letter A. So A is our starting point. So mula A, magsukat pababa ng 3 inches, lagyan ng letter B. Yan po ang lalim ng neck. Mula A ulit, magsukat pababa ng 5.5 inches at markahan ng C. Yan po ang chest height. Then mula A pababa, kalahati ng armhole, markahan ng letter D. So kung ang armhole natin is 16, ang kalahati nun is 8. So yan po ang letter D. Mula A down to letter E, gamitin ang figure length. So yan sa video guys, yan ang kung paano magsukat ng figure length. So ang figure length natin is 15. Mula A, papunta po sa F, magsukat tayo ng 2.5 inches para po sa lapad ng neck. At markahan natin ang letter F. From B, guhit tayo ng straight line gamit ang ruler. Tapos, mula F to B, i-connect natin ang line to make perfect square. Gamit ang French curve, i-shape natin ang neckline. Sunod guys is A to G. A to G is kalahati ng shoulder. So, paano natin makuha ang measurements ng shoulder? So, dyan sa video guys, pinapakita kung paano kuhanin ang shoulder. So, kung halimbawa, yung shoulder natin is 13, so divided by 2, so that is 6.5. So, markahan natin ng letter G. From G down, measures 1.5 and then mark it letter H. At i-connect natin yung G to H with a straight line at F to H diagonal line using ruler. So from C to the right, to locate I, measure kalahati ng chest measurement. So paano makukuha ang chest measurement? Again, may video ulit tayo guys, so baybayan nyo. So, kung halimbawa, ang chest measurement natin is 13 divided by 2, so yan ay 6.5. So, markahan po natin ang letter I. Then, connect straight line by using ruler. At, i-connect din natin ang H to I. So, next guys, mula D to the right, measures 1/4 bust measurement plus 1 inch. So, kung ang bust measurement natin guys is 34 divided by 4 is equals to 8.5 plus 1 inch is equals to 9.5. So, markahan na natin yung D to J. 9.5 po ang measurements. Then, connect D to J with a straight line using ruler. At gamit ang French curve, i-shape po natin ang ating armhole. Next is to locate point K, use 1/4 waistline measurement plus 1.5 from E to K. So, kung ang waistline natin is 24, so divided by 4 is equals to 6 plus 1.5 is equals to 7.5. So, yun po ang letter K natin. Again, connect E to K with a straight line using ruler. Then connect J to K with diagonal line. So next guys is bust height. Bust height is from F down 8 inches. That is letter L. Sunod, to locate point M, use 1/2 bust distance. So, kung ang bust distance natin is 7, divide 2, that is 3.5. Mark letter M. Mula M to the left, measures 3/4, yan po yung N. Then, mula M, measures to the right, 3/4, yan po yung O. So, ang distance ng E to M is 3.5, ganon din dapat ang D to L, 3.5. So, next is, connect natin yung L to M, L to N, and L to O. So, yan po ang dart natin guys, front dart. Sunod guys is i-fold natin ang dart natin. So, tingnan nyo mabuti kung paano i-fold ang dart. So, kapag na-fold na natin yan, sunod is connect A to K with a straight line using ruler. So, yan na ang front bodice natin na may dart. So, dito tayo sa back guys. Kung nakita nyo, may mga marka. So, sundan lang natin yan guys. Diyan tayo magte-trace ngayon. So, iyang point na yan, letter A, letter B, letter C, D. Yan yung mga point. Markahan lang ulit natin. Then, letter E. So, dito sa kabila, F, at saka J, H, I, J, K, L, tsaka N. M, N, O. So, next guys is i-connect natin yung line using ruler. So, lahat ng dots guys, i-connect natin. Kasi para tayong gumawa ng panibagong front. Kapag may tracing paper guys, pwede sana yun kasi wala akong tracing paper. So, ganyan na lang ang ginawa ko. So, lahat ng nilagyan nating letter kanina na may dots, i-connect natin yon. So, yan na guys. Na-connect na natin lahat ng mga letter na may dots. Sunod guys is doon naman tayo sa step by step ng back bodice. So, from A down 1 inch, yan po ang number 1. So, red ang gagamitin natin para makikita. Lahat ng red line, ibig sabihin yun yung back. So, markahan natin ng 1. So, using French curve, isi-shape natin ang back neckline. Sunod guys is from edge pataas measures half inch. Yan yung number 2. Then connect F to number 2. Yan yung back shoulder. Para makuha natin ang back armhole, mula I to the right, measure 1/2 inch. At markahan ng number 3. Then, connect 2 to 3. Para makuha ang point 4, from J to the left, measure half inch. Yan yung point 4. Gamit ang French curve, i-shape natin ang back armhole. So to get point 5, from K to the left, measure half inch. So connect number 4 to number 5 with diagonal line using ruler. So mula L papunta sa taas, measures 1 inch. Yan po yung number 6. Mula M to the left, 1/2 inch. Yan po yung 7. Mula M to the right, 1/2 inch. Yan po ang 8. So, connect natin yung 6 to M, 6 to 7, 6 to 8. So, ayan na po ang back dart natin. Sunod is ilupin natin yung dart. Then, paglupi ng dart, i-connect natin yung E to 5. So, ayan guys, tapos na tayo sa ating back bodies. So, ngayon, gupitin na natin ang ating pattern. Sa lahat ng red line, yan po yung back. Sundan lang natin yung mga red line. So, ayan guys, tapos na natin igupitin ang back bodies. Dito naman tayo sa front bodies. So, ayan. Sundan lang ulit natin yung mga linya. So, ayan, tapos na natin i-trim or gupitin ang ating front. Sa buong 1/4 pattern paper guys, i-fold po natin ito ng isa. So So, ayan. Tapos, ibakat natin ang front bodice. So, ayan. Kayo guys, kung gusto niyo ng tape, scotch tape, sa akin, lalagyan ko lang ito ng pin para hindi siya gumagalaw. So, lahat yan guys, i-trace ulit natin. Kapag curve, French curve ang gamitin. Kapag straight line and diagonal line, ruler ang gagamitin natin. So, ayan guys, ititrim na ulit natin or gugupitin na natin ang ating front. So, sundan lang natin yan guys ng mga line, mga guhit. So, yun na ang ating pinaka full front bodice. So, dito naman tayo sa back bodies. Ganun ulit guys, yung 1/4, ilupin ng 2 beses. Then, i-trace ulit natin yung back body. So, ayan na guys. Gugupitin ulit natin ito. Sundan lang natin yung mga red line. So, ito na ulit ang ating pinaka full back body. So, thank you guys sa panunood. Kung nagustuhan nyo, paki-like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you!